the WAGO electronic circuit breakers. With current limitation, yes or no? There are different characteristics. Without current limitation, short circuits are triggered within milliseconds, and overload currents are triggered in different steps after a certain time, depending on the value of the overcurrent. These electronic circuit breakers without current limitation are often used where a simple and cost-effective electronic circuit breaker is necessary, for instance to substitute miniature circuit breakers, or where valves or contactors are used that have got high inrush currents. On the other side, we have electronic circuit breakers with current limitation, and these units limit the output current in case of overload or short circuit for a certain time on a certain value, and then they shut down. This is often used in applications where the power supply unit must not go in overload mode and must not reduce its output voltage. So with these electronic circuit breakers with current limitation, it is guaranteed that the output voltage of the power supply units stays on the same level, and parallel current paths still have the right voltage. This is necessary, for instance, for PLCs or IPCs.